In just 10 minutes, this chair workout will activate your entire core, strengthen your abs, improve your posture, and help you build better body control, all without leaving your chair.
Exercise 1, seated leg raises. Sit near the front of your chair with your back straight. Brace your core and slowly lift both legs together.
Excellent work. Take a short break, breathe deeply, and get ready for the next movement.
Exercise 2, alternating leg raises. Lift one leg at a time while keeping your core posture tall. Move slowly, improves coordination, strengthens your lower abs, and builds muscular endurance.
Let's start with one of the biggest problem areas, tight hamstrings. Most people think stretching is the answer, but the real problem is often weakness, not flexibility.
Excellent work. Take a short break, breathe deeply, and get ready for the next movement.
Exercise 3, leg raise. Knee while gently rotating your tissue with control. This movements your obliques, improves stability, and helps create a stronger, more defined waist.
Nice work. Stay focused. The intensity is about to increase.
Exercise 4, lean back slightly, extend your legs, then pull your knees toward your chest. This exercise challenges your abs, improves endurance, and builds a stronger midsection.
Our final exercise targets both your upper and lower abs at the same time. Stay controlled, don't rush. Every repetition counts. Exercise 5, lift one leg at a time. Clap beneath your thigh. Maintain good posture. Coordination, this exercise agility, and core endurance while tightening your waist.
This twisting movement helps define your waist, improves trunk stability, and prepares your body for harder exercises.
Exercise 6, incline mountain climbers. Place your hands firmly on the chair and keep your body in a straight line. Drive your knees toward your chest one at a time.
Raise one leg at a time and clap underneath your thigh while maintaining a steady rhythm and proper posture.
This movement gently activates your core, improves posture, and helps create a firmer waistline and stronger midsection.
This variation activates the often neglected glute medius, the muscle responsible for hip stability.
Stay lifted as you lower the opposite leg to stretch your hips while keeping your glutes working.
This movement improves speed, coordination, abdominal definition, and overall body control. Check the workout summary on your screen to review the exercise order, work intervals, rest periods, and number of rounds. If you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to like, subscribe, and train with me again tomorrow.